So for me to utilize the sanitizer and not use it indoors when no one sick is in my house, I literally use the soap that is available and cheap and clean up the stuff with the soap. Because some of the glasses will not handle some of the cleaning products. I have one of the cleaning products that I've also been told it does say it has Jik in it, let's face it, and this to clean the kitchen boards and stuff. I'm not a professional, I'm just showing you what I do. Hydrogen peroxide. Okay, hydrogen peroxide is a very good one, I can say, when it comes to the virus, and I've had this from a doctor, again, not one or two, but very many people who are professionals. And yeah, hydrogen peroxide is there, but they don't only put hydrogen peroxide, they put other ingredients, but that's all that I needed to know. They put a little bit of bleaching agent, which I don't want to put on some of the products that I have, so it really spoils the stuff in my house. I don't want to put bleach on my stuff, so the fact that it has hydrogen peroxide, it can kill the germ, yeah, but it's not a very bad one. That's the product. It's called Ditto. 99.9 is so important, not 80, not 70. Yeah, so yeah, that one I've been using to clean, but unfortunately I can use it to clean the wood that's finished wood boards like this one. Yeah, it can clean surfaces like this, that's okay. But to be honest with you, I can't use it on a glass table, so literally I can't use it on leather table mats. So I had to go in with the soap, and trust me, I'm just hoping that it's gonna work out well for me. Yeah, so that's the process I've been using so far. This is me washing the sponge. Did you say hello?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, it takes a while, but yeah, we'll get there. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Yes. So yeah, before the kids have breakfast, I need to clean everything where they stay, wherever. And that is it. That's what it is. I didn't want to talk about Corona so much, because I've also heard about so many things concerning YouTube and people talking about Corona. Yeah, so I was trying to keep away from it, but yeah, we had to get there because, you know, your girl wants you to know what she's doing. Okay, got shop liquid into my sponge, and I'm gonna make it thicker so that it's really thick. And you know, this brand is really like, it's got lots of it. It's for grace. So when I put a little bit, it comes out really a lot. And the thing with me is that I don't want to spoil my metal as well. I'm not going to put substances that have bleach on them to mess up my metal. It's going to change color, you know. So somehow we have to clean like this. And I tend to clean the bottom of these things. Yeah, because they carry germs as well. So I tend to clean the bottom of the items that's on the table. Yeah, just to make sure the germs are not hiding anywhere. Right now I'm going underneath, because you know what, I keep putting my fingers underneath. So yeah, because my fingers are gonna go there anyways. So, and yeah, that should be good. I think I'm going to use some of this to dry out this place, because when you put this in water and you try to clean with it, it's going to dry out the soap a lot quicker. Right. Just a little bit of water, squeeze. And let's get rid of the soap. I've left the soap for a while, and it was a lot of soap, and I did a lot of rubbing around. Right, yes, so right now, yep, this soap had been here for a while, so using this, it's all wiping off the soap like never before. I really like these sponges, honestly. They do a great job, and you know, the kids really put their hands underneath. They tend to put the hands under, so it's a good way. I think from this Corona, I've learned a few things, and I've learned so many tricks out of cleaning. I think I've become a better cleaner than ever before, because I think I'm doing good. You know, having kids, they touch everything. everything. You can't really control everything they do, you know, but the best you can just clean and clean and clean and clean. It's not as if you have adults, you're not going to clean as much as you do with kids, but yeah, not bad. So as you noticed, I had to put everything in the middle and clean part by part. So I've cleaned the edges of the table, yes, and I'm going underneath.